Hey everybody, it's Jim Bull from Brat Magazine, the Brat Captain. Good Saturday morning, good Sunday morning to you. I think it's Sunday, yeah. You know, isn't it great how you can lose track of time when you get out here in the mountains of Pennsylvania and doing something you love to do. I'm pretty sure it's Sunday, and y'all can laugh, but I don't care. We spent the day yesterday, Saturday, riding the CMATVA Z-Force 800. I think it's an EX on the end, maybe not. This is their trail model. It's 50 inches wide, which lets you go anywhere you want to in Pennsylvania on their trail systems with that. Real easy to get around the woods, and it was very stable. You know, I didn't have any trouble. I thought that's a little narrow, but and we didn't ride any real gnarly stuff yesterday. We put 100 miles on this bad boy yesterday, riding around Potter County. Rode up into New York State. Really, we didn't, because you're not supposed to do that. But anyhow, we went south toward Lyman Run from Potter County Family Campground. This machine was loaned to us courtesy of Carnes Performance, Suzuki CF Moto dealer. I think they have Bad Boy Mower, some other products out of Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Check out the Carnes brothers. They've been building performance motorcycles for years, and they took over West Shore Suzuki a bunch of years back. It's probably longer than I remember, because you know, time flies when you're having fun. But this machine, electronic fuel injection, has power steering, high-low range, 2 4-wheel drive with a differential lock. It's got a nice gear package in here, and I was really impressed. I've been itching to get in one of these bad boys for a while. I hate to call it an off-brand or a non-premium brand, but a lot of China products on our market today, and I've ridden quite a few of them. Some of them let me sit in the woods. Some of them have beat me to death. Some of them do okay, and this machine did really well yesterday. I was super impressed. I think it's got like a 10.5 retail, which comes in a lot lower than many of the other machines on the market. And I'll break away from this because our Central Mountains group is going to be coming through here in a few minutes, and I want to get some video footage. Hey Mike, thanks for tuning in. I was super impressed with this machine. The suspension worked well. We rode 100 miles yesterday, and I didn't feel like I rode 200 like you do on some machines. And we'll come back to this. Hey Larry, what's up, buddy? Here comes our crew leaving the campground. They're going to do another 100 miles today. Unfortunately, we can't ride along. We got other obligations to do that. That's our leader, Henry Sorghum, Central Mountain. We got a big crew going out today. We had 36 machines yesterday on the trail and rode 100 miles. Did a morning ride, and then came back and did a lunch break, did an afternoon spin. Really dusty, man. Tore our eyeballs up. Disclaimer: do not ride without goggles, boys and girls. Get a windshield on your machine. We got lots of great folks from the association who are going to ride again today. We're calling for rain too this afternoon, so hopefully the dust isn't near as bad as what it was yesterday. They're actually exiting the Potter County Family Campground right now, heading out across the Potato City, and going to head down toward the White Oaks Campground in Crossroads, Pennsylvania. Hey, everybody. And we're going to hit Germania, Pennsylvania, get over into Cuyahoga County. So there's Red for God coming through. Just met those folks. We got everyone's really, hey, having a good time. All right. They're heading across the Potato City Campground and going to head south toward Crossroads, Pennsylvania. So I think it's only like 20 or 30 bucks a year to get a family membership. And these guys ride twice a year. And they ride, man. They go. I mean, we don't fool around. We average 30, 35 mile an hour. Not the times we're riding township roads and things like that. We do get into some gnarly stuff. We were out at Rock Run a couple weeks ago. We're going to ride the AOAA in a few weeks. We have our Cruise for a Cure coming up in Renova, but that is sold out. That's a cancer fundraiser. In about 2 weeks, we're going to ride up there. So again, hey, if you're thinking about buying a side-by-side and don't want to spend 20 grand, check out CF Moto. There's a bunch of dealers around. Like I said, Carnes Performance hooked us up, and I got to throw a shout out to Squeak at Keystone Trailers Moto Depot in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. He let us use a really sweet aluminum trailer to haul this bad boy up here. But great suspension. It's got thumb adjusters on it, so I don't know if you can see. It's kind of dark. You can get in there and adjust it while on the trail. This thing comes with aluminum wheels. It comes with standard winch. Mirrors, man, mirrors. I tell you what, I've been riding a lot of machines and they don't have mirrors on them, and it stinks not being able to see who's behind you. I know you want to watch where you're going, but mirrors are a definite plus. Has a nice grab rail for your passenger there, 12-volt accessory hookups, high-low beam, horns. Got a horn, get out of my way, right? Really nice bucket seats that hold you in there. They're adjustable. Like I mentioned, got aluminum wheels with some super aggressive tires on, and this baby went 800 V twin, fuel injected, liquid cooled, rock and roll. All right, I'm gonna cut out of here. I know there's not a lot of people watching. It's early Sunday morning, I believe, but we're gonna do some more photos of this bad boy. We'll have a full review in Brat Magazine. That won't be till our August issue because June just came out, but watch for our blog. We'll do a blog post updating that here in a week or maybe a couple days, who knows. Let's see what the schedule looks like so you can get all the scoop on this, and we'll have a video. I'm gonna try and put a video together. Brat Captain out.